You can't see, but there's tiny wispy snows. It's so cute.
Or maybe younger. She's young.
全部持ってくるって言ってました。
大きなレンチャーって知ったの？大きなレンチャーが。
いいですね。写真を撮って、撮影してもっと遅いんですよ。
よいかったやと仕事しに私の親がな。でたっちゃんよしとってな。うちの子が。ほんで一緒にな。
So I have a side part now. My mom and I thought, oh, 5-10 minutes at this place. But this is Japanese countryside.
Right.
How long were we there? Maybe 2 hours?
2 hours.
2 hours.
She did 5 different.
She did, like, I was like, oh, can I see what this would look like, just roughly? And then she ended up doing like 5 different hairstyles on me.
Very sweet.
And then she made us snacks and tea.
She's 82.
I know. すごいな。
すごい。
すごい元気。めっちゃ元気。
めっちゃ元気。60年。
Now we're going to go get coffee. Coffee time.
Coffee time. Okay. これよりめっちゃすごいよ。
It's snowing. It's snowing.
ですね。本当ですね。そしたら東京。
Yeah, you can just pass. せーの、いただきます。
It's like a special kind of pepper. Should take a picture of using this.
I have a feeling that I have to go back. Oh, that's cute.
Is it cute?
That is cute.
I don't know if I like it though.
It's cute.
Well, I think like it's not as like soft as I thought it was gonna be. It's a little bit stiff. But I wonder, do you think if I wash it, if it will get softer?
I think so, yeah.
Maybe I should put it in the wash and see. I'm just working on a little bit more of my knitting project, but it's kind of late now, so I'm gonna call it a night. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Do you want to say anything, Mama?
It's me.
Oyasumi. Bye bye.